The Tunguska explosion, a meteor strike, or something else? Introduction. A blast like no other. On the morning of June 30th, 1908, a fiery object tore through the skies above Siberia, Russia. Moments later, an earth-shattering explosion ripped through the dense taiga near the Tunguska River. The shockwave flattened over 2,000 square kilometers, 770 square miles of forest, an area nearly the size of New York City. The explosion was so powerful that seismic stations across Europe detected it, and people as far as London reported seeing the sky glow for days. But what exactly happened in Tunguska that day? A meteorite impact, a secret weapon test, a UFO crash. The mystery still baffles scientists and fuels countless theories. The event, eyewitness accounts of doom. Although the blast occurred in a remote region, a few nomadic Evenki tribesmen and Russian settlers witnessed the event. Here's what they reported. A blazing fireball streaked across the sky as bright as the sun. A column of blue-white light appeared, followed by a massive explosion. A shockwave threw people off their feet, even from 60 kilometers 37 miles away. Buildings shook, windows shattered, and animals panicked as if the world were ending. For days, the night sky remained eerily bright, with a strange glow visible as far as Europe and Asia. But despite the devastation, no impact crater was ever found, leading to endless speculation. Theories. What really happened in Tunguska? 1. The meteor airburst theory, most accepted explanation. Scientists believe a small asteroid or comet, about 50 to 60 meters 160 to 200 feet in diameter, exploded mid-air at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers 3 to 6 miles. This explosion, called an airburst, released energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, nearly 1,000 times the Hiroshima bomb. The problem: no crater was found. No large meteorite fragments were recovered. If it was a comet, its icy composition would have vaporized, leaving little evidence. Could something else have caused the explosion? 2. Nikola Tesla's death ray theory. In 1908, Nikola Tesla was experimenting with wireless energy transmission and had developed plans for a directed energy weapon, what some call a death ray. Some theorists suggest Tesla tested his invention by targeting a remote, unpopulated area, and Tunguska was the unlucky target. The problem: there's no record of Tesla conducting such a test. Tesla himself never claimed responsibility. But what if the explosion was man-made, but not by Tesla? 3. A secret Russian experiment. Some believe the explosion was caused by an early Soviet weapons experiment, possibly involving high-energy physics or even nuclear reactions. The problem: in 1908, Russia didn't have nuclear capabilities. No radioactive isotopes were found in the area. If not man-made, could the answer lie beyond Earth? 4. The UFO crash theory. One of the wildest theories is that a malfunctioning alien spacecraft exploded over Tunguska. Supporters of this idea point to no impact crater, suggesting an object disintegrated mid-air. The sudden burst of intense energy, beyond what normal meteors produce. Reports of a strange metallic material allegedly found near the site. The problem: no confirmed alien debris has ever been recovered. Scientists argue natural explanations make more sense. Still, the mystery lingers. Scientific expeditions, searching for clues. Despite its importance, no proper scientific expedition reached Tunguska until 1927, nearly 20 years after the event. Soviet scientist Leonid Kulik led the first major investigation, expecting to find a crater. Instead, he found millions of trees flattened in a radial pattern, soil disturbances, suggesting intense heat, strange, tiny glassy spheres, possibly from vaporized rock. Over the years, modern research has backed the airburst theory, but even today, no definitive evidence fully explains what happened. Why the Tunguska event matters today. The Tunguska explosion was the largest asteroid impact event in recorded history and a warning of what could happen again. In 2013, the Chelyabinsk meteor, A 20-meter 66-foot asteroid exploded over Russia, injuring over 1,500 people. What if a larger object struck a populated area? Scientists estimate an event like Tunguska happens every 500 to 1,000 years, meaning we could be due for another one. That's why NASA and other space agencies monitor near-Earth objects, searching for potential threats. Final thought: is the mystery solved? More than a century later, the Tunguska event remains one of Earth's greatest unsolved mysteries. While the airburst theory is widely accepted, lingering questions about what really happened continue to spark debates. So, what do you think? Was Tunguska a meteor strike, a secret weapon test, or something not of this world?